Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. This is Sunset Drone. Today we are coming to you from Bechem in the Tano South district of the Ahafo Region. Bechem is the capital of this district. Bechem is located close to Sunyani. That's from Sunyani you go to Bianquanta, then you go to Bechem, not very far from each other. The town is known for the Bechem Presbyterian Senior Secondary School. Then the school is a second psych institution. The town has one of the best teacher training colleges in the country, known as the St. Joseph College of Education, that's JOSCO, popularly known as JOSCO. And it has the Bechem School for the Deaf and the Blind and the Technical Institute of the Deaf. Where closer to this town is Techimentia and Dormaa, which both stand tall when it comes to tomato production in Ghana. The town is the home of Bechem United Football Club. That's a first-year team in the Ghana Premier League who are currently playing in the top division in Ghana. Please don't forget to like, comment and share on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that anytime we post our content, that's our current content that we've been providing, that's the dashboard cam of towns that we have visited. We will bring you amazing drone shots very soon as you wait and always support us. Thank you.